To define a rotation, you need three things. 1. The center of rotation. 2. The measure of the angle. 3. The direction. Are you moving the figure clockwise or counterclockwise? Here is an example of a rotation. The first thing that you will have to do, you will have to draw a circle going through each vertex. For example, letter D, letter E, and letter F. I did use different colors because it will be easier for you to see what I'm doing, but you have to use a pencil all the time. Let's start with the bigger circle. The bigger circle is blue, the one passing through the vertex F. So, this is the angle, and it goes through the vertex at two different places. You can see that this angle touches the blue circle here and over there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my compass because I can't really measure an arc with a ruler, so I have to measure this with the compass. Okay, so you can see that this is the distance between those 2 points. And that's how big my angle is. I will rotate point F using that measure. And I have to move counterclockwise. So I'm going to put the compass on point F. I don't change the opening. And I will show where is the image of point F. So it's right here. And I'm going to write letter F, F prime, image of F. Now, the point that is on the red circle is point D. Now this time, it will be smaller, the measure that I will have to use. So, I will use my compass one more time. You can see that the sides of my angle are intersecting the red circle over here and over there. And I will measure now with my compass, that new measure. It will be a bit smaller. I will use that measure now to rotate point D. I will put this on point D. Again, I'm moving counterclockwise. And now this is the image of point D. So I'm going to write D prime. And finally, I will do the same thing with the last circle. The circle here in black. Okay, so you can see that the sides of that angle are intersecting my circle, my black circle over here and over there. So one more time, I will measure that angle with my compass. And which point is on the black circle? Point E. I will go on point E. Find the image of point E. And just show that this is E prime. And now the easiest thing to do is to connect the points. So D prime with E prime. E prime with F prime, D prime with F prime, and if your constructions are good, then the triangles should be identical. If you would put one triangle on top of the other one, they would overlap, they would be exactly the same. Now time for you to practice.